There's a place where the ground simply disappears, where the horizon stretches so far it bends. This is the Sahara, and you've never seen it like this. If you want to see the world from above, hit subscribe. A new aerial tour drops every week. These are the Erg Chebbi Dunes, the tallest in all of Morocco. Some of these mountains of sand reach 150 meters high. That's taller than the Statue of Liberty, and every single one of them moves. The wind reshapes this landscape daily. No 2 days look the same. From above, the pattern is mesmerizing. Ridges that stretch for kilometers, shadows that carve the sand into impossible geometry. This is nature's architecture, and it never repeats. At the edge of this sand ocean, civilization clings to survival. This is where the Sahara meets the human world, and the human world is losing. These kasbahs have stood for centuries, fortresses of mud and straw, built to withstand desert storms and invading armies. But the desert is patient. Every year the sand creeps closer. Some of these walls are already half buried. The oasis towns are a different story. Here, underground water sustains date palms, olive trees, and life itself. From above you can see the sharp line where green meets gold. It's almost violent. The desert doesn't do gradual. But the Sahara isn't just sand. This is what most people get wrong. The desert is rock, it's stone, it's volcanic, it's carved by ancient rivers that dried up 10,000 years ago. These formations look like another planet, because they almost are. Temperatures hit 50 degrees Celsius in the shade, and there is no shade. The ground itself radiates heat back at you. This is one of the most hostile environments on Earth. And yet, people cross it. Those lines you see cutting through the landscape. Trade routes that have operated for 1,000 years. Salt, gold, spices. The caravans haven't stopped. As the sun drops, everything changes. The temperature plummets, the colors shift from gold to pink to deep violet, and then, the sky opens up. The Sahara has some of the darkest skies on Earth. Zero light pollution, zero cloud cover. The Milky Way doesn't appear here. It explodes. If you've never seen a truly dark sky, this is what you're missing. We fly to a new destination every week. Norway, the Maldives, Iceland, all in 4K from above. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And then, Morning. The first light touches the highest dune ridge and races down the face of the sand. In minutes, the entire desert is glowing again. This is the Sahara's cycle. Brutal heat, freezing cold, sand that moves, rock that endures, and through it all, a beauty so extreme it doesn't seem real. But it is. This is Morocco, and this is what the world looks like from above. Fez is Morocco's cultural and spiritual heart, famous for its massive, car-free Medina and deep medieval history. If this took your breath away, imagine what the Maldives looks like from above. That's our next tour. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. And tell me in the comments, which destination should we fly next?